Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got an unboxing video, but this is going to be a dual unboxing video, kind of like a mail call kind of thing. So I've got two packages, and I just figured it made the most sense to put them in one video. But here's one. I know you can't really see it, and then here's the other. So we're gonna unbox this one first because you can see it's flat. And this one is something that I think is really cool. It's not something I actually have in my collection, so I was excited to get this. And in the condition it's in, I am very excited. Let's see how he had this taped. Go down. So, you might be shocked to see what this is. It's probably not something you would think me, of all people, would go out of their way to buy, but I did. So it's an emblem. You might be able to see what it says. Yeah. So this is a Thomas Bill Buses emblem. An older one too, of course. But you can see, I always liked the style of Thomas emblem. I thought it was super cool. This one is actually in like really good shape. Like, I don't know who had this before me. I don't know if he was a collector or I don't know, but whoever had this took care of it. Or it just came off a bus. But I feel like with the condition this is in, this has probably been off a bus for a while, and was just in somebody's collection. It's kind of interesting because there was another one of these on eBay that was in a little bit worse shape for more money, so I felt like I got a really good deal on this. So, you know, figured I'd take the opportunity. The big Thomas emblems like these aren't something you come across anymore. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, yeah, I want to add that to my collection. This is back when it was cool to be a part of Club Tommy. So what was I going to say? Oh, this now makes my third Thomas Built Buses emblem. So, you know, I'm trying to have a little bit more variety when it comes to that. Because as most of you know, most of my emblems are Bluebird or International, IC, Amtran. I don't ever get a lot of Thomas stuff, so yeah, happy to add that to the collection. So this next one, this won't be a surprise to you at all when you see what these are. So these were something that they popped up, and I saw the price and I thought, you know what, that's not a bad price for what they are. Let me just go ahead and pick them up. So this is just, yeah, let's get that. Alright. Oh, packing peanuts. Wonderful. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Where is it at? Oh. Alright. Alright. Any guesses? Any guesses what these are? Oh, shoot. Not the Thomas emblem. I'm just going to move that before it smashes what I'm trying to unbox. But any guesses what these are? No? Alright, let's just go ahead and open them. Any guesses now? Yeah, so, as if I needed more of these. These are originals. Two of the white roof, Bally, white roof with black wheels, that is, original HO scale buses. I mean, you don't hardly see these packaged, the white roofs. Like, you really only see... Okay, let me rephrase that. It's not that you don't see these packaged, but I've found in the years that I've been on eBay and have been buying these little buses, you usually come across the yellow roofs first. So, and most of the white roof originals that I've found on eBay are already out of their package. So, you know, couldn't pass this up. I thought it was a good deal, so had to get them. This one seems to have been stapled at the bottom. So yeah, just the same thing, 2 HO scale CEs. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this dual unboxing. I figured it was a video for you guys. Yeah, I don't know. There's not much else going on, so why not do an unboxing? We'll go ahead and show the Thomas emblem one more time. Such a nice piece of school transportation history right there. Beautiful emblem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this dual unboxing video. Let me know what you think, and yeah.